Welcome back once again. In today's video, we'll be showing us how to attach our invisible zip to our fabric. Okay, first of all you have an invisible zip, you have the bodice, you have your invisible zip footer, you have the left and right, but I have the left. Also, you have your screwdriver to fix this. Okay, let's go. I've gummed my bodice where I want to fix the invisible zip with my paper gum. All right, half an inch. Also the same thing here, I've gummed it. Now the next thing to do, you're going to use a loose stitch. Use a loose stitch. Now use a loose stitch to sew half an inch all through. Use a loose stitch, so half an inch all through. Okay, so this is how the front is looking. When you are done with that, the next thing to do, you open up the front, the inside of it. Open up the inside of your bodice. Now your invisible zip. So it now depends on how you want the neck to be, either piped or you fix. After fixing, you fix your collar or however you want it. All right. So remember, while fixing your invisible zip, the front will be facing down while the back will be facing up. All right. So now you first of all just sew it at the tip. Just hold it down. Just hold the invisible zip. Just sew it and hold it down first with a tighter stitch, not loose stitch again. You sew it all the way down. This other side. Okay, as you can see, I'm done sewing the two sides, here and here. As you can see, I'm done doing that. Now the next thing to do, you loosen up your loose stitch. Loosen up the loose stitch. All right, you loosen it up. If you have any comment, feel free to drop it in the comment section. All right, your question or your question will be attended to. All right, I'm done losing my stitches. As you can see, I'm done with it. I'm done losing my loose stitch. All right, so the next thing to do, I change my footer. I put my invisible zip footer. Your normal footer cannot give you this, so you can get this in any of the tailoring shop where they sell accessories. All right, it's firm now. The next thing to do, at this point, you're going to zip it open. You're going to zip it open. Your invincible zip, you're going to zip it open to enable you get the lock that you desire. Okay, at this point now, this is where we're sewing. You open it up. You open it up this way, then you sew here, very close to the zip. Be careful of the zip head. Then you sew the same thing on the other side. I'm done attaching my invincible zip. As you can see how smooth and neat that is. It's invincible. All right, the zip is invincible. Don't mind the black shade you're seeing here. It's because I'm not using the accurate zip, but this is just for tutorial purposes. That's why I'm using this zip on it, on this light colored fabric. All right, so with this video, you'll be able to fix your invisible zip professionally and perfectly, and made easy for you with the right tools. Don't forget, this is Unique Clothing. Click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you get notified on the next video that I'll be dropping. See you on the next video. Thank you.